Hello and welcome to Python tutorial. This is tutorial number 1, variables and data types. A variable is a container which contains data. It could be a string or a number. Anything written in two quotation marks is called string. Like here, I have set the name of variable hi, and in it hello is written in two quotation marks, which means it is a string. So now what we will do is we will print hi. That means whatever will be in hi variable would be printed out in the console. You can see hi contains hello string. So in the console it printed out hello. If I write I am good, it will print out I am good. You can see here. So that were the basics of strings. Now we can move ahead to next data type, which is numbers. A variable can also contain numbers like 5698, and after running it you can see this number has appeared in the console. Let's remove it and move ahead a little bit. I will set a variable age. Age equals, let's say, 98, that is too old, and I will set the name of character Mike. So I want to print that Mike is 98. So what I will do here is I will say name plus is in the quotation marks and plus age. A variable containing numbers must be converted into a string before print. So let me show you guys. I will write here age. The age is an integer and not converted into a string. Run our code now and you can see an error is given. So now what I have to do is I have to change the age to string. Run our code again and you can see Mike is 98 is given. I can change the age of Mike if I want. It could be a decimal. For example, I want it to be 98.678. Run our code and you can see Mike is 98.678. We can add another name to our program to make it more complex. I want this name to be Charlotte. Remember, any sentence, word or name must be in the quotation marks. So what I will do here is name plus name2, and here I will write R. So Mike and Charlotte are 98.678 plus years old. Run our program to see what is going on. And we have to put a space here. We should add AND here in the print statement. So plus in quotation marks A and D and let's run it again. And yes, our program is working perfectly. But I have noticed that Mike and Charlotte are too old. Let's make them young. So Mike and Charlotte are 15 years old. What I will do here is I will set another print statement. Print name plus likes to play Let's create a variable for play. Play equals, let's say, football. I have to put this football in quotation marks. You can see an error was given if I didn't put it in the quotation marks. So Play equals football and play 2 equals cricket. And I have to put it again in the quotation marks.
Let's continue with our print statement and add a variable here play. So Mike likes to play football and I have to add space here. Add a space and run it again. So Mike and Charlotte are 15 years old and Mike likes to play football. Let's do the same with Charlotte. So copy that and paste it again. So name 2, likes to play 2. Mike and Charlotte are 15 years old. Mike likes to play football and Charlotte likes to play cricket. But you can see that the console is appearing messier. So for that we can use this symbol to make it well arranged. So by using this symbol and by running our code again, you can see the console has appeared arranged, and we can use semicolon to make it more visible. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.